One dark night, Samoan nakedness. Naked savages ambush the ashamed Victorians, conjured up. Samoan songa imiti women tattooed in Aotearoa. We called, let's go fight, let's go war, against the apt, the right, the proper, the fitting. We will bite you.
Brown women are my most important audience, and brown girls. And that thing about joy in the brown body as a brown woman being an act of colonial resistance, I mean, that's the best thing I can do. Savage Coloniser is pretty much how it sounds. It's about the savagery of colonisers.
And I'm feeling good.
And putting Savage Coloniser Show on stage is a dream for me because Anapela Polata'ivao is an extraordinary director, and I think of her as a tauleito, so an anchor of the spirits, because that's just what she does.
History aside, there comes a time when all that stuff is in the past and you people need to stop complaining. Waitangi this, dawn raids that.
What happens on the stage is particularly potent because you see these actors, these actresses, like truly embody these truths and this lived truth.
Wings spread on our tata. See the darkness call to us. The women fa'alelela pe'a. Let your flying fox fly.
I don't even think that you need to particularly know the stories. I think that the spirituality of it penetrates whoever's sitting in the audience.
Loved it. I was dragged through all the emotions, so I'm still kind of sitting in it.
I liked all of it. I liked the fact that there was a different voice that I'd not heard of. I've heard about the piece, but I didn't know quite what to expect. The singing.
It was fresh and dynamic, and all the elements were so beautifully made, and the performances just took all that weaving and put it through the roof.
For me, it was just all too familiar.
I pray to you, aunties who are kind. All of you live in the sky now. You are
to have young brown women and old brown women and all the other brown women in between come to me and collapse in my arms in tears afterwards because they've recognised themselves and someone is finally telling their story. That's what will make my life worth living. When I'm on my deathbed, I'll go, yes. I didn't get to have much money because I chose to be a poet, ridiculous choice, but I've done my tautoa. Like, this is really my tautoa for my life.